Hi, my name is Sarah, and who am I? Well, for this, I'm here as a self-confessed Canva addict. I love Canva. I've been using Canva since 2016, actually, and I'll be honest, I learn something new every day on Canva, and there's still so much I don't know how to do, but as I'm on it all the time, I'm here to tell you that you can do Canva. If you don't think you're creative or that you need some kind of graphic design degree, you do not. You can do it all. You can do just like me. I have created mugs, t-shirts, presentations, social media posts, videos, logos. I mean, honestly, you name it. Canva has even more than that. It has AI generated music. Like, you can create music, create anything with AI. AI is incredible, but not even using AI. You can take a picture and you can make it clearer. You know, I've uploaded a photo that I found that was kind of blurry, and I used one of Canva's apps and it made it crystal clear. And I was able to export that as a very nice looking photo. So I hope that you look around and find something new to learn. I'm an ever student, and if you're here, you are also an ever student because you always want to learn something new, and you're going to learn it. And I'm going to hopefully make you feel comfortable using Canva.